Are you ready to stop settling for plain old ketchup with your crispy chicken? What if I told you there are 5 secret weapons that can unlock an entirely new level of crispy chicken satisfaction? Forget plain ketchup, we're diving deep into unique flavor profiles and easy preparations that will make every bite of your chicken an unforgettable culinary adventure. You won't believe how good this gets, transforming your crispy chicken into a culinary masterpiece. By the end of this video, you'll have the secret recipes, perfect for your next gathering. Or just a delicious weeknight treat. Let's dive into our first flavor journey. First up, we're diving into the Tangy Kick, a sauce that delivers a zesty, tangy punch, perfect for cutting through the richness of crispy chicken. Its key ingredients are simple yet vibrant, promising a burst of freshness. We start with fresh lemon zest for that vibrant acidity and aromatic lift. Then, finely chopped fresh dill adds an herbaceous note, a whisper of spring, and a touch of minced garlic for depth, bringing a subtle warmth to the blend. All mixed into creamy Greek yogurt, the perfect canvas for our flavors. Each ingredient finds its harmony within this luscious base. A pinch of salt and pepper to season, enhancing every note. Whisk it together until it's perfectly smooth and emulsified. This zesty sauce is now ready to impress. Vibrant and refreshing. Presented beautifully, it's a feast for the eyes before it even touches your palate. The bright acidity of the lemon and the freshness of the dill perfectly cut through the richness of crispy chicken, elevating every bite into a truly refreshing experience. This sauce makes every bite a burst of zest and creaminess. From Tangy, we're now jet-setting across the globe to explore 2 unique flavor profiles. Starting with the spicy Peanut Satay. Its rich, nutty, and slightly spicy flavor is simply irresistible, a true taste of Southeast Asia. We start by gently preparing our roasted peanuts, the heart of this iconic sauce. Crushing them releases their aromatic oils, intensifying their nutty essence. A quick sauté of ginger, garlic, and chili awakens their spicy warmth. Then, rich coconut milk adds a luscious, creamy body. Savory soy sauce and a touch of brown sugar create that perfect balance of sweet and salty, while a squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a bright, zesty counterpoint. Finally, our crushed peanuts, simmering gently until the sauce reaches a perfect, creamy consistency. The aromas filling the kitchen are absolutely intoxicating. This vibrant satay sauce, ready to transport your taste buds. Perfectly crafted, its allure is undeniable. The nutty, spicy, and slightly sweet notes of the satay sauce cling beautifully to every crisp piece of chicken. A truly satisfying journey for your palate, packed with authentic flavor. And now, for another global sensation, we present the umami-rich Gochujang Mayo. This sauce brings a unique savory depth and a delightful kick, a staple of Korean-inspired cuisine. Our star ingredient, the fermented Korean gochujang, forms the spicy, umami heart of this sauce. Creamy mayonnaise provides the perfect luscious base, mellowing the spice with its richness. A touch of honey balances the spice with a subtle sweetness, creating depth. While rice vinegar adds a slight tang and cuts through the richness, brightening the profile. And a few drops of sesame oil infuse it with an irresistible nutty aroma. A true Asian flair. Whisked together, these ingredients transform into a velvety smooth, umami-packed delight. Its versatility means it's ready to elevate any dish, not just chicken. Gochujang Mayo, a masterpiece of flavor and texture. Its savory depth and subtle spice are a revelation with crispy chicken, creating an unforgettable fusion. Offering a thrilling explosion of flavor in every bite. A true culinary adventure. Now, let's explore the sweeter, smokier side of the dipping spectrum, proving that even classic flavors can be reimagined. We begin with a familiar favorite, honey mustard, but with a secret ingredient that truly elevates it to new heights. The sharp, sophisticated flavor of Dijon mustard sets the stage, providing a classic foundation. Complemented by the textural pop and milder notes of whole grain mustard, adding complexity. Pure, golden honey adds its irresistible sweetness, a comforting embrace. And a dash of apple cider vinegar provides a subtle tang, brightening the whole profile. Now, for the twist, a pinch of smoked paprika, adding an unexpected depth and warmth. Whisk it all together for a smooth, balanced, and surprisingly complex honey mustard. This reimagined classic is ready to delight, with its smoky undertones elevating a familiar taste. A sophisticated twist on a beloved classic, promising pure culinary joy. The sweet and tangy notes dance with the subtle smokiness, creating a symphony of flavors. Transforming a familiar comfort into a gourmet experience with every single bite. Next, prepare for an unexpected combination that's both creamy and boldly flavored, our Chipotle Lime Crema.
We have a bowl of
this
sour
sauce
cream,
brings smoky heat and a refreshing zest, a perfect fusion of bold and bright.
Sauce, fresh green lime.
A luxurious blend of sour cream and mayonnaise forms our velvety base, ready to embrace the vibrant flavors. Finely minced chipotle peppers in adobo sauce deliver that distinctive smoky heat, a foundational kick. And plenty of fresh lime juice adds a bright, zesty counterpoint, cutting through the richness beautifully. Fresh cilantro brings a herbaceous, aromatic finish, a whisper of the garden. Gently fold all the elements together until the crema is beautifully smooth and fragrant. Our Chipotle Lime Crema, a vibrant and tangy sauce ready to awaken your senses. Its creamy texture and smoky undertones are a perfect match for crispy chicken. An irresistible pairing, creating a taste experience that is both comforting and exhilarating, a flavor fiesta in every bite. This sauce truly adds an unexpected and delightful kick to any crispy chicken dish. So there you have it. 5 incredible dipping sauces, each with its own unique personality and story. Each one ready to transform your crispy chicken into a culinary adventure. From fresh and tangy to smoky and sweet. These sauces are not just condiments, they are gateways to new taste sensations. Which of these incredible sauces are you most excited to try first?
The key is to baste it constantly to keep the moisture in.
Let us know below in the
It smells
comments.
amazing already.
We love hearing from you. And if you have a secret dipping sauce of your own, spill the beans. We're always eager to discover new flavors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more culinary adventures. We hope these sauces inspire you to embark on your own delicious journeys. Until next time, happy dipping and happy cooking. Goodbye for now, and may your crispy chicken always be extraordinary.